Assalamu alaikum, I'm Engineer Hamna Shakil. In this video, we will learn how to move objects in AutoCAD. To activate the move command, you can use the command move or you can use its alias M. Once you activate the command, AutoCAD asks you to select an object that you want to move. Let's say I want to move this circle, so I'll click on this circle and press enter. AutoCAD is asking you to specify base point. It means that you have to specify a point from where you want to pick your object. So let's say I want to pick this circle from its center. So you can select the center point. Now AutoCAD is asking you to specify the second point. So you can see this dotted yellow line on the screen. It's telling you from where you picked the object and where you are moving it to. So you can specify the length of this dotted line and its inclination, or you can specify the coordinates in absolute or polar system as we have already discussed in previous lectures. Or you can specify the second point on screen. So I'm going to, let's say, specify this point as the second point. Click on the screen and your circle has moved from this position to this position. You can also activate the move command using the icon in the modify panel. Let's select this rectangle this time. Press enter. Let's take the corner of the rectangle as the base point and move this rectangle all the way to this corner. Let's try this again. Activate move command. Select the object. Press enter. It's not necessary that you specify the base point on the object. You can click anywhere on the screen and take that as the base point. Let's say I click at this point. So you can see on the screen how AutoCAD is picking that line. Let's select the second point as the center of this rectangle and click here. So see, you have moved the line from this position to that position. Let's activate the move command again. You can specify multiple objects at a time. Press enter. Specify a base point. And this time I'm going to specify the coordinates. So I'm going to move this picked corner of the rectangle to the origin. So you can use absolute coordinate system, use hash 0, 0. Press enter and you can see here that the corner of the rectangle has been fixed to the origin. Similarly, you can use the relative coordinates or you can use the polar absolute or polar relative coordinates.